One Tongkat Ali scam currently making its rounds is to trick people out of their money by presenting forged or irrelevant licenses of the Indonesian government, as well as forged lab tests. Relevant licenses are, for example, licenses pertaining to a business registration. The following licenses are issued to any Indonesian who applies for them. SIUP, Surat Izin Usaha Perdagangan, General Business Permit. Every Indonesian business obtains this simply by request. TDP, Tanda Daftar Perusahaan, Business Registration, just a fancy registration receipt. HO, Surat Izin Gangguan, a permit to cause disturbance. Every Indonesian business has this. The single relevant license that an Indonesian business selling Tongkat Ali must possess is a Nomor Dipkes. The Nomor Dipkes is a product-specific registration code that permits a product to be sold as medicine or traditional medicine. If ever you want graphic proof of how authentic a company is, look for photos. Photos are not as easy to manipulate as are scans of licenses.